Hello guys, welcome back to Fura's kitchen. Today we are going to make vitumbua. Yeah, they are so easy to make, very easy process. So for this you're going to need 2 cups of rice that I soaked. I used Kenyan pishori rice. I prefer that. Yeah, I soaked for 6 hours, or you can soak overnight. You have the time. I used this cup. So the cup that you're going to use for rice, you're going to use for the rest of the ingredient. Then I used 1 3/4 cup of coconut milk, yeah, and then a tablespoon of yeast, and then I used this cup for sugar, but it was too much. You can use 3/4 if you're not a sugar person. And then I'll put everything in a blender and then mix very well. Make sure you mix very well before you start blending, and then I'll start blending the mixture. You will want your mixture to be smooth, no rice particles. Yeah, I'll blend again because my mixture was not smooth enough. And then our mixture is okay. That's the consistency that you want, guys. So I'll cover this for like 1 hour for the yeast to activate well. As you can see here, the yeast activated so well. So I'm going to stir this mixture, stir very well before I start frying. Yeah, you make sure that you stir very well before start frying. You start frying. I'll list the ingredients in the description box. So I'm going to use a vitumbua pan. Yeah, these are modern pans. After the pan is heated, I'll add little oil, amount of oil, as you can see in the video, and then I start adding my the vitumbua mixture. For turning your vitumbua, I'll advise you use a chopstick, because this spoon gave me a rough time. I didn't have a chopstick. Yeah, so I used a spoon. It gave me it was messy, so I'll advise that you use a chopstick to turn your vitumbua. Yeah, it will be more easier and less messy. Yeah, so I'll turn all of them. So before turning, you'll want to, as you can see, you have like 2 bubbles on your vitumbua. You'll want to see those bubbles before turning. Yeah, that way you know that the one side of your vitumbua is ready, so you turn. Yeah, I'm going to add in the next mixture. Yeah, I don't prefer filling the pan that much. Yeah, you can feel the hole in the pan if you want, but I don't prefer filling. And for the heat, as usual in cooking, you use don't use too much heat, don't use less heat. Yeah, you want your vitumbua to cook well inside. Yeah, so use just medium heat. Yeah, because you want them to cook well inside. You don't want your vitumbua to be undercooked. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. You see, our vitumbuas are well cooked. Yeah, if you've not subscribed, please do so. Until next time, thanks. Bye. God bless you.